Meaning of hamstring.
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 Hamstring. The term hamstring refers to a group of 3 muscles located at the back of the thigh, the biceps femoris, semimembranosus, and semitendinosus. These muscles are responsible for hip extension and knee flexion, and play a vital role in activities such as walking, running, and jumping. Hamstring injuries are common among athletes and can range from mild strains to complete tears. Such injuries can result in pain, swelling, and limited mobility. Proper warm-up before physical activity, strengthening exercises, and stretching can help prevent hamstring injuries. Prompt medical attention is necessary if an injury occurs.